The 3-word practice to change your mood. If you're feeling stuck, say this: I am grateful, and then finish the sentence with whatever is relevant to you. This is not about quantity, this is about quality. It could be something tiny, like warm socks, or sunlight through a window, the sound of a bird singing, whatever floats your boat. Absolutely anything that gives you that nice, happy feeling. These are very much your happy things for you to choose. Science shows that your brain doesn't really care how big it is. It just responds. Gratitude can interrupt anxiety and give you that feel-good factor and grounds you in the here and now. Don't feel like you're sort of conning your head into this. What you are doing is inviting your brain to do what it naturally does, giving it a little bit of a help along the way. So comment, I am grateful, then finish the sentence, for whatever is relevant to you. I'll go first.